This all my guys that grew up without a father figure. My pops got locked up when I was a baby, came home when I was 14, but barely called, barely wrote maybe one letter that I remember. When he came home, he tried to piece the family together, but we was all on different shit. I was the youngest, focused on my grind. One time I rocked my brother in the mouth for trying to fake bully me. He took me home like I was the problem. That's when I saw the favoritism, because they was all on that street shit. I wasn't folding to that narrative. Then he got locked up again 3.5 years, came home when I was 18, but by then I was already a man, bigger, stronger, grinding with a chip on my shoulder, proving I was about something. Then he got locked up for 2 more. When he came home, I realized I was more mature than my own father. Imagine that. His mind was still stuck, still moving sloppy, still thinking he was young, still repeating the same cycles, more kids, more bullshit. And then the hate came. He saw me making my own money, about to graduate college. He said, damn, you really did it without me. I said, yeah, you ain't give me a choice. And after that shit spiraled, I held him accountable. He ain't want to hear it, ghosted me, and now he right back in prison and might not ever come back home. But I say all of this to y'all, don't you dare not using having a father as an excuse. I became the man I am by watching his mistakes. I broke the cycle. Do I still love him? Yeah, but the respect gone.